Hi, thank you for watching this Amherst alarm tutorial video. My name is Joe, and today we'll be reviewing how to change the battery in your PG9975 door window contact. This is a PG9975 door window contact. To get started, you're going to want to take your flathead screwdriver and insert it into the slot and twist. You'll hear a pop. And then on the other side, do the same thing. Twist and you'll hear a pop. And then you're going to want to remove the cover. To remove the battery, you can either use your fingernail or a flathead screwdriver. You'll want to place your thumb gently over top of the battery, and then at the end of it, insert the screwdriver and push in. To insert the battery, you'll want to put the negative side facing down toward the plastic and the positive side facing up. There's also an indicator on the device to show you which way it goes. You'll insert the battery, push down. Then to apply the cover, it only goes one way. You'll want to insert the hinges into the two slots here. Then gently push together. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. If you have any questions, please call 716-632-4600.